Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to export transparent background in Snappa. Log into your Snappa account and open the design you want to export. Make sure the design element that should be visible on the transparent background are placed properly. If you have a solid background or image in your design, remove it to allow transparency. Make sure there are no shapes, elements or images that unintentionally block the transparent background. The transparent area should appear as a checkered pattern indicating that they are empty. Once you are happy with your design and the transparent area are set correctly, click on download button at the top right corner of the editor. Now check the transparent background option. You can only download it as a high-res PNG format. After downloading the PNG file, you can use the transparent background. Also keep in mind that this is available for Snappa Pro users only. After downloading the PNG file, you can use the transparent background image for various purposes. By following these steps, you can easily export the design with a transparent background. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.